Dhismahan idiin muuqda waxaa la bilaabay 1862 waxay ka mid tahay dhismayaasha ugu da'da weyn leh ee magaalada Ottawa. Markiisii koowaad dhismahani wuxuu ahaa kaniisadda ugu horeeyey ee laga dhisay dalka oo la odhan jiray First United Church. Se 2000 waxaa loo beddelay community center halkaasoo mujtamaca ku nool xaafaddaas ay iskugu iman jireen. Ugu dambeyntiina haatanna waa masaajid ka midna ah masaajidada ugu waaweyn magaalada Ottawa. Sheekh Muhammad Suliman waa sheekha mas'uulka ka ah masaajidka Center Town Mosque ee ku yaalla Ottawa. Sheekhu wuxuu nooga sheekeeyey marxaladuhu soo maray masaajidku, sida nasiib kale ay ku heleen masaajidka iyo tabarucaadka iyo baahiyaadka uu masaajidku u baahan yahay.
So we are in the main hall here. So this main hall used to be like a big stage here. It was like almost half or 1/3 of the room was a big stage with that screen. They were using it for concerts and parties. So we had to remove that stage. And then the rest of the floor was slope. So chairs were here like a theater, movie theater. So we removed all these chairs and then we leveled the ground. We added a layer of wood to make the whole floor leveled for the salah. So it will be good for us to pray. So this is for the main hall here. We did some touch-ups before Ramadan, and inshallah we are doing more painting. They are working now on the entrance, and they will come later and they will work on these, inshallah ta'ala. The place upstairs over there, it was an audio-video room connected to the screen, but now we moved all the audio-video next to the screen, and we are going to take this room away, and this will be for the sisters. Sisters will pray there to join the imam for the salawat. And then those who have kids, they can still pray in the next room, which is gym or multi-purpose room. So this is generally the main hall. And then we can walk and we can go to the next room, which is the multi-purpose room. And we have office and there's also a basement downstairs. So this is another entrance from here. If you enter from here, you come to this section here. And this section actually was built 20 years after that section. So the first section was 1862, the section 1888, and it's offices. And then upstairs, 1-bedroom apartment for the priest. And then if you come here, this is the gym or the multi-purpose room. This is where we started. When we came first to the Center Town Mosque, we did paint this and clean it up, and we started the first Jum'ah in here in the gym. And this is like a stage and some rooms behind the stage, and we had to open that door over there because it was a city requirement. If you have a specific number of people in that room, you have to open an exit door, which we did, alhamdulillah rabbil alameen. So the salah, the first Jum'ah was to the door, and people even prayed in the hallway. So subhanallah, once we started Ramadan, we moved to the main hall, and until now, Jum'ah is full, and we have many activities. As you can see, the carpets here, even the carpets, we have some da'wah activities. Today we had a visit from firefighters who are learning about cultures, and we tomorrow have a visit from a high school that's close from us, Glebe Collegiate. The students are coming to ask and explore the religion of Islam and the mosque. So we prepared some da'wah activities, some translations of the Quran to give them. And also we have some snacks for those who came today, and we will have something for tomorrow also. Something that's special about the carpets It's just it's patches from many places because we don't have the appropriate carpet for the masjid. And we were calculating it will take us about $40,000 to carpet the whole place. And then we said $40,000, we better pay them off to the building and secure the building before we put it on the ground for the floor. So we called the community and we said, brothers and sisters, please, if you have any kind of carpets at home or a prayer rug, get it to the masjid, help us, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will help you. So subhanallah, you can see different colors, different designs. Brothers and sisters will drop by whatever they have. Some of them even don't have a car and they have the carpets. Then we have to drive and go to their houses and pick up the carpets and put them here. So the sisters' side is this side. Now the sisters pray here and the brothers pray in the main hall. And then you can see, subhanAllah, the building is very old, but we try to restore it and to revive it, to give it some care and to give it some love. And there is no problems between us and any other group or any other faiths. People saying, why do you take a church, take another building? We said, it's not us coming intentionally and taking a church. We were buying another building, but subhanAllah, we found this abandoned and it needs more revival and restoration and more care and love. So we said it's a worship place of worship. It used to be for the Christian community and in the Chinese community, and now it is the Muslim community. And we always say everybody is welcome to come to Central Town Mosque. It's open for everyone. It doesn't matter the way you look, the way you speak, what faith you adopt. Everybody is welcome. And subhanAllah, this just came by chance, walking around, seeing the place. And our intention is to revive it, to restore it, to make it a beneficial hub and center for Canadians in Ottawa and beyond. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Okay. So now we'll go downstairs to the basement, and the basement will have a kitchen, washrooms, and an open space that can be for salah, for prayers. And also, we are starting in July a fitness program for the brothers and the sisters in the basement. So they can come here for fitness too. It will be something good, inshallah. Yep, so that's a good space here. We were doing some renovations. As you can see, subhanAllah, we can divide it into sections. The main goal now is to have a place for kids, for some martial arts, and for adults, some workout program. So the brothers are already working on that. Section here will be for the fitness, and then also some classes will be here for martial arts, karate, and other stuff. We have these are two classrooms, but we put lots of stuff, old stuff there now to store it. And then we have the washrooms here for the brothers and the one here for the sisters. And then this is a big kitchen, alhamdulillah. It helped us a lot in Ramadan. We used to get the food from here and then we go upstairs and we eat our iftar. Yes, and the suhoor, we used to have the food here in the basement and we eat upstairs also. So, you know, yani, that's the kitchen is something that's we are working on renovation.
It's a very big kitchen, honestly.
Yeah, it just needs some renovations and some help. Inshallah, it's going to be okay.
And it's easier. Once you have a kitchen, it's very easy to prepare Ramadan, iftar, suhoor, everything here.
Yes, and even events. We're thinking for the future to renovate it, make it a commercial kitchen, and the multi-purpose room to be a banquet hall for the Muslim community to rent it for weddings, for aqiqas, for walimas. So it's going to be a continuous income for the masjid and also a space for the community to to use. Yep.
And youth can learn how to cook.
Yes.
You can do
Some cooking classes. Yes. Yes. We have this in the plan. Yeah. Yes. So this used to be here, the audio video room, and we are planning to take this away, and we make it about 2 lines for the sisters to pray, so they join the imam in the salah, and the fence will be a little bit up, so in case any kids come here, it will be safe, inshallah ta'ala. So once again, the building has lots of potentials, but it just needs some care and some renovations. And inshallah, the Muslim community in downtown Ottawa will give it what it needs to make it the best masjid in downtown and one of the best Masaajid in Canada, bi'idhnillah ta'ala. Da'wah center, youth center, seniors programs, kids Quran and Arabic learning. And inshallah ta'ala, we will put also our gym into play, so the kids can come and they can play some soccer, some basketball, some ping pong, and all other activities, inshallah ta'ala.
hadda saacadda waxaa weeyaan 7:52 waxaa dhow salaadii maqrib oo la eedaamaya 8:23 hadhowna cishaay 10 habeenimo.
أشهد أن محمدا رسول الله. أشهد أن محمدا رسول الله. حي على الصلاة. حي على الصلاة. حي على الفلاح.
cadaydu wataa dhacday waa 8:40 hadda, marka wakaa maanta barnaamijkeenii insha allah waan soo wadi doonaa barnaamij kale oo saas oo kale ah.